The Dreamride Car Bed was developed for preemies and newborns who need to travel lying down. It should only be used if prescribed by a licensed physician. When installing using the vehicle belt, make sure the latch belts are stored by hooking them together and tightening the belt, as shown. To install using the vehicle belt, place the car bed side-facing in the back seat, so that the child's head will be towards the center of the vehicle seat. The vehicle belt loops must be on the side of the car bed that is against the vehicle seat back. Thread your vehicle belt through the belt loops. Make sure the vehicle belt lies flat and is not twisted. Then buckle the vehicle belt. In order to lock your vehicle belt in place, you need to know which type of belt your vehicle has. Refer to the Knowing Your Vehicle Belts section of your car bed instruction manual or the car seat installation section in your vehicle owner's manual. Once you've determined the type of belt, follow the instructions on how to lock it securely in place. Finally, buckle your vehicle belt. The handle must be upright and locked when installed in the vehicle. Lay your forearm across the car bed while pulling on the vehicle belt to tighten. Check belt tightness by holding the car bed at the belt path with your non-dominant hand. Push and pull from side to side. If it moves more than 1 inch, try reinstalling the car bed. You can also try another seating location or try installing using the latch belt.